Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into Kraken app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Kraken app puts one of the longest standing crypto exchange right in your pocket. It lets you buy, sell Bitcoin and hundreds of other coins, set advanced order, track prices and performance. You can also manage your portfolio securely. It supports features like staking reward, Kraken and strong security tools, which is 2FA or biometric login, which also make it a solid choice for both beginners and more active trader. But it is not perfect. The interface can feel a bit clunky compared with fewer apps, and some users report occasional delay in deposit or verification hold, especially during the high traffic period. Fees are also higher on the app, which is the buy verse, and the maker, which is the taker rates you can also get on the desktop. So in my opinion, I actually think the Kraken is definitely worth using if you want a reputable, secure exchange with a lot of asset options and advanced order types. So if you just need a simple price tracking or occasional small buys, you might find the lighter app easier to use, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review. You're welcome.